Hello students, I welcome all of you to Maths online class. Once more today we are going to do the same question number, that is question number 2 from exercise 3.1. So today we will be doing number Q, S and T. Alright. So up to number O we have done yesterday and I gave W and X as your homework. I hope you have done it. So 3 more sums we are going to do from this question, and make sure that you are writing all the sums that we are doing now. Okay. So total we have done how many sums? On the first day we have done 4 sums, second day 4 sums, and today also we are going to do 4 sums. That means 12. Then 2 sums I gave you homework. 14 sums. Okay. So let me do, today we are going to do number Q. Okay. What is the question? 42 minus 29. So same as before, we are going to make the columns. Okay children, make the columns. You do along with me. Then divide the box into 2 equal parts. Ones, this side is ones, this side is tens. This is for carry. This is to write 42. This is to write the sign and 29. Okay. So let us do it. So 42 minus 29. Okay. So regrouping, here also we cannot subtract 9 from 2. Okay, we cannot subtract 9 from 2, so we will regroup these numbers. So this one will become 4 will become 3 and 2 will become how much? 2 will become 12, isn't it? 12 ones. So let us cut it and write it 3, and here it will be 12. So 12 minus 9 is how much children? Yes, it is 3, and 3 minus 2 is 1. So what is the answer? The answer is 1 tens and 3 ones. That means the answer is 13. Okay. So you may pause the video and write it. So now let me do the second question. That is, we will be doing the next question. What we are going to do is number S. Okay. 33 minus 19. Okay children, same process. Let us make the column. Okay, let's make the column. Divide it into 2 equal parts. Ones and tens. This row is for carry. This is to write 33. This is to write the minus symbol and 19. And the last one is for the answer. It's for the difference of the two numbers. Okay, so let us write here 33 and this one is 19. What we have to do? Addition or subtraction? We have to do subtraction. Okay, so this is 9. So here again we have to rearrange since we are not able to subtract 9 from 3. Okay, so regroup it. This 3 will become 3 tens will become 2 tens. Since we are giving 1 tens to this side, to the ones place, so it will become 3 ones will become 13 ones. Okay, so let us write here 2 and this one will become 13. Is it? Now 13 minus 9 will be how much? Yes, it will be, yes, it is 4. Now 2 minus 1 will be 1. Okay. Now what is the answer? Answer is 1 tens and 4 ones. Okay. 1 tens and 4 ones means how much? What is the figure? It is 14. Okay. The number we are getting is 14. So write it. Okay children. Okay. Now let us do the last sum from this question, that is number t. Okay, that is 80 minus 28. Okay, same process. We are going to make the columns. We will make the columns. Make sure, children, that you are making the columns very neatly in your square line book. Okay, the line should pass through the lines of the book. Okay, so here it is for carry. This is for you to write 80. This is for you to write the minus symbol and the 28. Okay, so the last one is for you to write the difference or the answer. So let us write here what? Yes, we have to write here 80, and this here we have to give the minus symbol, and here we have to write 28. So now what we are going to do? We are going to subtract. First we will regroup the numbers. Okay, what we are going to do? We are regrouping the numbers. So when we regroup, 8 will become 7 and 0 will become how much? Yes, 0 will become 10. Now 10 minus, what you have to do? 10 minus 8 you have to do, and here you have to do 7 minus 2. Alright, now 10 minus 8 is how much? 10 minus 8 is, very good, it is 2, and 7 minus 2 is 5. So what is the answer we got? We got 5 tens and 2 ones. Okay, why 5 tens? Because 5 is in tens place and 2 is in ones place. So 5 tens and 2 ones means how much? It is 52. Alright. So now today we have done these 3 sums. Now let us go to question number 3. That is subtract and check your answer. Okay. So let us do that one. So what is the first question? The first question is 91 minus 48. So this one from the examples from try this also we have done one. Okay, but let us do from the exercise as well. So whatever I am doing here you have to do in your copy. Question number 3 you write down like this. Number 3. This is question number 3. Subtract and check your answer. So subtract means subtraction will be same as you have done earlier, isn't it? Now what is the difference is? You are checking the answer. So let us do it. This is 0, not 0, ones, and this is tens place. This is for you to write the carry. This is for you to write the number 91, and this is for you to write the symbol and 45. Okay, this is question number 3 from page number 47. Okay, so you have to write for the time being. When you are seeing the video, you can write it in the textbook, this question. Okay, then afterwards, as soon as the class is over, you have to write it in your copy. Okay, so I have written it here, 91 minus 45. So here you have to understand that 91 is the biggest number, okay, bigger number, and 45 is the smaller number. And when we are doing the subtraction, we are getting the difference, okay, difference of the greater number and the smaller number. So let us find out the difference first. Okay, so here also we have to do the regrouping. So 9 will become 8 and 1 will become 11. So 11 minus 5 will be how much, children? Yes, it will be how much? 6, right? So 6, and here it is 8. 8 minus 4 will be 4. So what? How much you got? 46. That means 4 tens and 6 ones. Now we have, why do we do the check part, children? We do the check part to find out whether our subtraction is correct or not. So how do we check? So you have to write like this, check. Then you have to make this column, okay, as it is done in that way in your book. You have to again make the column and write here ones and tens. Okay, this is for you to write the carry. This is for you to write the number here. So now when you check, what do? You do subtraction or addition? You do addition. Okay, so how you are going to do the addition? You will first write the what? First you will write the smaller number. What is the smaller number here? 45 is the smaller number, isn't it? This is the bigger number I told you, and this is the 91 is the bigger number, and 45 is the smaller number I said, and the answer is the difference. So how do you check to find out whether the answer is wrong or correct? You have to add the smaller number and the difference, and if you are getting the bigger number, that means this 91 as the answer, then your subtraction is correct. Okay, so since we are going to do addition, let's put the symbol plus. Now here 46. Okay, now 6 minus 5 will be how much? We have learned addition as well. Tell how much it will be. It will be 11, isn't it? 11. And how much is carry? 1 is carry. So carry we are writing in the tens place. Whatever you are getting carry from the ones place, you will write it in the tens place. Okay. Now you have to add these three numbers. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 9. So how much we got? We got 91. So 91 is the bigger number or not? 91. We got this 91 and the bigger number is 91. That means our subtraction is right. We have done the correct answer. Okay, children. So today I stop here. Tomorrow again I will continue with the same question number, that is subtract and check. 2 more sums we will do from there. Then we will go to mental maths. Okay. So thank you so much. Have a nice day.